How to check two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check two-factor authentication on Instagram. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Also here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will find your initial or profile icon. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right and this will take you to your profile page. Here at the top right, you will be able to see three horizontal bars. Tap on those three horizontal bars and now you will end up in this settings and activity page. On this page, on the very top, you will be able to see the option Account Center. Tap on Account Center and once you reach the Account Center page, here scroll down and under account settings, here you will find password and security option. Tap on this option. This will take you to password and security section. Once you reach to this page, here you will be able to see two-factor authentication option just below change password option. Tap on this option and now here you need to select Instagram account. Tap on your Instagram account and here you will be able to see if you have added two-factor authentication on Instagram or not. Currently, Authenticator app is selected. You will be able to add two-factor authentication using your Authenticator app or by receiving code via SMS or WhatsApp. If you want to add one of these security methods, you simply have to tap on the little circle at the right side and then click on that next button below. After that, you will need to follow the instructions and prompts in order to add two-factor authentication on Instagram. So, by following the steps, you should be able to check two-factor authentication on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.